If you're military and stationed at JBLM, you know how hard it is to find a home that actually fits your family, your timeline, and your budget. Most builders make it complicated. Willow Glen doesn't. I worked with hundreds of military families relocating to Washington State. The biggest frustration? Finding homes ready to close before your move-in date with lender options that actually understand the VA loans. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how Willow Glen solves that and what makes it different from other new construction communities in this area. Willow Glen is a 75-lot community in Yelm, just 45 minutes south of Joint Base Lewis McChord. It's designed for families who need stability, space, and a neighborhood that gets your lifestyle. Century Communities built this place with new construction quality you can actually verify. Every home comes with a full builder's warranty. You're not buying someone else's problem. You're buying new, and that matters when you're getting PCS orders, and you need to trust what you're moving into. "45 minutes to JBLM, you're close enough to the base, but you're also away from the noise and congestion. You get to come home, decompress, and actually be with your family. Yelm itself is a solid community. You've got grocery stores, restaurants, a dog park, hiking trails, and the Tahoma Valley Golf Course, if that's your thing. But here's the real win. Willow Glen is walking distance to Longmire Community Park. That's where your kids can play, where you can actually get to relax on the weekends. Schools are solid too. We have Fort Stevens Elementary, Yelm High School, and everything is nearby. For military families specifically, and I say this because I work with JBLM consistently, you want a neighborhood where you're not the only military family. At Willow Glen, military buyers make up a huge part of the community. You understand each other's schedule, the deployments, the moves. It's a real community, not just a subdivision. You're looking at 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3 baths, 2-car garages, and an open concept layout built for how families actually live in 2026. Not a tiny new built box, actual square footage. As of right now, there are still homes trending for July closings. If you're PCSing this summer, that timeline lines up. But homes are moving. 7 have already sold. If you're serious, you don't want to wait and find out they're gone. And because this is new construction, you get to choose your finishes, make it yours from day one. You're not repainting someone else's choices. You're building your home. I know what some of you are thinking. I'm not sure we're staying long enough to buy. Here's my answer to that. Yelm has a strong rental demand. If you're PCSing in 3 years, you can rent this home. Military families are always looking for houses nearby JBLM. You don't have to sell. You can build equity and keep the asset. Here's the bottom line. Willow Glen gives you new construction quality just outside of JBLM with a VA loan package that's actually built for military families. Low earnest money, Hometown Heroes credit, $25,000 in flexible incentives. July closings are still available. If you want to see what's available and what fits your budget, reach out directly. I'll connect you with the Inspire team and walk you through the process start to finish. The link is below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.